Hello folks, I just want to share a quick video with my 99 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Just a few tidbits what I done to it. I put a 3-inch rough country lift in. I put some 31-inch Cuomo tires on there. And yes, they do clear the lower control arms. Thank God for that. I did see articles in the Jeep forum on sometimes they won't clear, they'll rub. What they are is they're non-adjustable rough country lower control arms. I had to replace them because trying to remove one end of the lower control arm while installing this lift, the bolts can be a pain, so I had to drill it out and cut it out, and it was a little bit of a headache. But if you do want me to do a video sharing how that's installed, please leave comments below. Couple little small things I did. I masked off the hood, put some spray bed liner on there. This is just dirt. I'll probably do a follow-up video once I get some stuff done. I want to build a storage drawer system in the back. But I did the bed liner here. This is just dirt. This spring I want to do something with the lower rocker panels. There's a little bit of rust down there. Get that taken care of. This is just icy snow. Had it outside. This here is a do-it-yourself cargo basket. I did that with conduit. Just cut off some, I bent the conduit around, made some small pieces here, flattened them with a vise, and then I screwed in, attaching it to the existing luggage rack there. Used a square chunk of steel tubing, mounted that to that rack with some U-bolts. Don't know if you can see that underneath there. Hardwired in these aftermarket lights. Again, if you'd like to see a video on how I did that, it's pretty simple. There's a little bit of trial and error, but we got her done. Spray painted some bed liner here as well. Did the rear bumper and the rear caps there. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you that you can do a 3-inch lift and put 31's on there and clear those lower control arms. So I'll be doing, like I said, more follow-up videos with this as I go. It's been kind of a winter project for me. But thank God it's coming along, and I'll get some wire loom going and start to hide these wires and that. Haven't had much time lately. Just that's about it. So like I said, I'll be following up with some more videos. God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Talk to you soon.